Hi, I'm Martijn, co-owner of the Arnhem-based company Neo-Dyne. I've brought you to the post bank today to show you our new Alienramp. Neo-Dyne, we specialize in the design and manufacture of self-loading motorcycle lift systems that are all powered by a cordless Pro. And today I'm going to tell you all about our entry-level model, the Alienramp. Well, this is the Alienramp as it sits in the pickup truck. It stands on 4 small feet. These feet are equipped with a synthetic rubber, which has the property that when you put weight on it, it becomes very grippy. It has a drive-in wheel chock for wheels up to 23 inches. At the front is the so-called bumper bar, which also sits against the bulkhead with the same kind of rubber, and therefore it can't slide either. So yeah, for securing it, there are 2 tie-down straps from the motorcycle to the vehicle. And it can't move left, right, up, or down. Next, the most important part, you can't get it out like this. So now we'll show you how to attach the extension piece so you can unload the motorcycle. Well, as I said, another piece needs to go on here. Otherwise, you can't get that bike out. For that, we have this lightweight extender piece or extender. $17mm wrench. I've also brought along a U-channel, as it's called, which is only necessary when using the Alienramp in a pickup truck. It's meant to ensure that the wheel of the Alienramp can roll smoothly over this gap without getting stuck. You have a van, trailer, or a camper? Well, then this U-channel isn't needed. We're almost done now. The only thing left to do is remove the tie-down straps from the side of the bike, and then we can roll the Alienramp with the bike out and set it on the ground. The next and also final step is to unscrew the 4 small feet so that we can roll it out. Okay, so everything's loose. We can roll it out now. So now we're on to the last bit, because it still needs to get to the ground. We have a tool for that. Every motorcyclist already has one at home, the cordless drill. 18 volts, 19mm socket. We have the attachment point right here on this side. You just put it on. Okay, the bike is on the ground now. The last thing we need to do is loosen the straps, take the bike out of the wheel chock, and ride. Well, it's loose now. The last tie-down straps have been removed. I did it all by myself. The bike is still stable. I can hop on and ride. Well, the bike is off. You've seen how I took it off. Now, I'd like to explain exactly how the Alienramp works without the bike on it. We'll start with the drive-in wheel chock. The flipper, you drive your wheel in here and it grabs it. It's adjustable. This wheel chock for wheels up to 23 inches. You can go ahead and attach your straps right over here so you can make sure it's secured nice and firmly. The strap used to pull it up, and this is actually the reason why the Alienramp is called the Alienramp. Defying gravity, you place this axle under the center of gravity of the motorcycle. With 4 small screws, you can move this axle up or down. So depending on where your bike's center of gravity is, you place this axle. The cool thing is that when the bike is loaded, it almost doesn't want to tip on its own. And that means that 300 kilogram bike, if I left it here, feels like it weighs about 5 kilos. Okay, well, as mentioned before, all Neo-Dyne motorcycle ramps are cordless drill driven. And that includes the Alienramp. Every drive system works with a standard 18-volt cordless drill and a 19mm socket, which you can just easily put on here. I'd now like to tell you the specifications of the Alienramp. The Alienramp consists of a base section of 1.90 meters with a weight of 35 kilograms. The detachable 70cm extender with a weight of 10 kilograms. So total length 2.60 meters, total weight 45 kilograms. So I can easily lift it on my own. This specific model is also equipped with a couple of accessories, namely the tailgate adapters for use specifically with a pickup truck, and the bumper bar for use with pickup trucks and delivery vans. In addition, we can see down here the AC30 strap kit from Neo-Dyne, which is also an accessory. Furthermore, it's equipped with a wheel so you can easily move it like a kind of wheelbarrow. The maximum loading height is 95 centimeters, so that's a Dodge Ram. And the maximum weight this Alienramp can lift is 300 kilograms. Now, do you have a motorcycle that's heavier than 300 kilograms? Then check out www.neodyne.com for our other solutions.
Take me where I've never been before. I like it when you're sweet, but when you're bad, I like it more. Take all my attention like it's going out of style.
Okay, man, that brings us to the final points of the Alienramp. First of all, how is it actually possible to lift a 200+ kilogram bike all by yourself like this? It has to do with this axle. You can adjust this axle to the center of gravity of your bike. By loosening 4 small screws, you can move this axle up a bit or down a bit. So you can determine that easy tipping point yourself. In a pickup truck, there are sometimes roller covers present. To prevent your bike from hitting that roller cover, you can unscrew this. Unscrew both of these screws, so it also fits nicely in your pickup truck with a roller cover. And finally, the tailgate. On most pickup trucks, these can handle a weight of up to 300 kilograms. Not sure about it? Then just ask your demon. Well, to summarize, who is this actually for? Well, for everyone who wants to go on vacation with their bike or maybe wants to go somewhere for business, driving, to take it with you in your pickup truck, in your van, in your camper, on your trailer. One or two, because of course two can also fit side by side. Great for couples who want to drive to the south of France together by car first, and then want to enjoy touring around there. So yeah, that's the Alien write-up. Well, I believe it would be best if I get settled into a seat in the cab now, so we can actually get this vehicle moving. And oh yeah, if you liked this and found it a nice video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Okay, that's it for today. I think I've told you everything about the Alienramp that there is to tell. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and we'll answer them. I'm heading home now. Bye.